A very good morning to all class 5. Yesterday we have completed our fraction word problem till question number 6. Today we are going to start question number 7. First read the question. Find the distance covered by a bus in 4 whole 1 by 2 hours if the speed of the bus is 30 whole 6 by 7 kilometer per hour. Means there is a bus who has covered some distance, but what is the distance that we have to find out. We know that bus has taken this much hours to cover that distance and the speed of the bus was this much kilometer per hour. Okay, we have to find the distance. See, as we know, distance is equal to speed multiply time. Okay, now according to question, time taken by the bus is equal to 4 whole 1 by 2 hours. Time taken by the bus is equal to 4 whole 1 by 2 hours. This much time bus has taken to cover that distance. Okay, and speed of the bus. In which speed bus was running? Speed of the bus is 30 whole 6 by 7 kilometer per hour. We have to find the distance. This is the formula beta. This is the basic formula which help you till your life. Means this is a practical formula. That distance is equal to speed multiply time. Speed is equal to this and time is equal to this. I have changed the place, but no problem. You can write this also first and this also later. We'll do it here. Now is equal to, as this is whole number or mixed number, we have to convert it into improper fraction. 7 3s are 21, so this is 210 plus 6, 216 by 7 multiply. If you want to write this here and this here, you can change this also, and accordingly I am doing this. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. Okay, kilometer. Why I am writing kilometer? We always write distance in kilometer. Time we write in hours and speed we write in kilometer per hour. Now this is the practical numerical which we have to solve. Now just cut it into lowest term. As we know, we can cut it down with 2. 2 ones are 2, 0, as we have taken 16 together. 2 8s are 16. Now this is the lowest term. Now we cannot cut it with any of the table equally. Let's find out the multiplication term. 9 8s are 72, 9 1s are 9, divided by 7 1s are 7. Now what you can do? You can divide this and convert it into mixed number. Let's convert. 7 1s are 7, 27, 7 3s are 21. Now 62, 7 8s are 56, 6 left. Now we can't divide, so 6 by 7. This is the kilometer covered by the bus. Now we can write answer also according to the question. The question asked us find the distance covered by a bus. So therefore distance covered by the bus is equal to 138 whole 6 by 7 kilometer. Easy? Okay. Let's move to the Next question. Question number 8. A man won rupees 21 lakh in a game show. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, 21 lakh. Out of this full money, for 3/7 of the prize money, he bought a house. Out of this 21 lakh, proportion of 3/7, he spent to buy a house. And 3/14 of the money, he bought a car. And the remaining money, he deposited in the bank. Now, the question asks, how much money did he deposit in all? So, first we have to take out the 3/7 of this 21 lakh, then 3/14 to get the amount of house and car. After that, we have to subtract both of the money from this total money. Let's do it like this. Total amount won by the man, rupees 21 lakh. Out of this 21 lakh, money is spent to buy a car. So 21 lakh out of these 3/7 part. This is the full money, and 3/7 part of this money he spent to buy a house. Just make it in a lowest term. 7 3s are 21, 3 3s are 9. So this is rupees 9 lakh. And money is spent to buy a car. You have to write this sentence over here. Okay, 21 lakh. Out of this 21 lakh, 3/14 part he spent to buy a car. Now 3/14 of this 21 lakh, cut by 14. If you make it smaller, you can directly cut by 14th. As you are grown up, you know table of 14. So 14 ones are 14, 14 5s are 70. Rest 1 0, 3 more 0. Now multiply by 3. 15 3s are 45. So rupees 4,50,000. So how much money is spent for house? 9 lakh, and for car 4,50,000. Now money deposited in the bank. To get the money deposited in the bank, we have to subtract from the total money amount of house and amount of car. So I have put it into a bracket. This is the total amount. We have to subtract 9 lakh and this 4,50,000. First we add both this. This is rupee 13,50,000. Okay, 21 lakh is the total money. Out of that he spent this much money. Left money with him is 7,50,000. This is your answer. Move to the next question. If 54 whole 1/2 kg of rice is distributed among 66 poor people. Okay, total quantity of rice distributed is this much, 54 whole 1/2 kg, and number of poor people is 66. This is the easiest question. As we know, we have started division with a simple one like distribution. This is same as we have to divide this whole of the quantity of rice between the 66 poor people. Find how much rice each one gets. So total rice distributed is equal to 54 whole 1/2 kg. This is the total quantity of rice distributed. Number of poor people is 66 people. Therefore quantity of rice one get is equal to 54 whole 1/2. This is the total quantity, and we have to divide this by 66. And as we know, see, 2 4s are 8 plus 2 5s are 10. 108 plus 1 109/2. And as we know, when there is division, we put a multiplication symbol and we make the reciprocal of this. So I have written 1/66. Now make it into a smallest term if possible, but it is not possible, I think. See, we can't make it more lowest term. So what we have to do, 109 divided by 2 6 are 12, 1, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13. This is the amount of rice get by one people. So your answer is this much kg. This much kg of rice get by one people. Okay. So what is your homework? Till question number 6 we have already completed. Today you have to write or do question number 7, 8, 9 as I have shown you here. I will send you the PDF also. Take care and bye bye. Tomorrow we are going to start our next chapter, that is pattern. This is the last chapter for our first term syllabus. Pattern will start today. Take care and bye bye.